Hi guys, we've just arrived in Heraklion. We woke up pretty early this morning because we had a 2.5-hour drive, or 2 hour around that, and I had to arrive at 11.5 maximum here at home because I had an university project to present and it was very important, and we managed to arrive in time. And until now we stayed at home. I presented the project and I looked up on what we could do, and honestly I don't think we have a lot of things to see today. We will go around and just walk, see a little bit the city, and then go to a restaurant that I found and has amazing reviews. Also, a thing that I don't enjoy about Heraklion is the traffic, which is absolutely horror. My car is a little bit bigger, so it was very hard for me to drive on those very narrow streets. It was a mess finding a parking too, but that's not that much of a big problem because we will leave the car here and we will walk these 3 days. But I wanted to tell you this in case you want to travel here by car. If you don't have your own car and you want to rent one, I'd suggest you to rent a smaller car so you can park easier and you can drive easier on these narrow streets. So here is the bedroom where we will sleep, and this is the kitchen where they left us things to eat because those aren't ours, and it's pretty nice. Now here is the bathroom sink, and here's the bathroom, and here is the view of the garden, and it is very nice. I feel like it's very traditional, so yeah, I like it. Okay, so we are walking around Heraklion, and again the traffic is awful. Right now behind me there are no cars, but until now it was pretty awful. We are now going to the port, to the seaside, and then we are going to eat. So we are now close to the sea in Heraklion, and the sun right now is in my eyes, so this is why I can't look at the camera right now. It's very nice, there aren't people around us, and we will keep on walking around here. It's very relaxing, I like this, and I will show you around just where we will go today. back at home and we've just ate so much. We went to a restaurant with around 5,000 reviews and the food was organic and traditional, and I had so many choices. I didn't know what to choose, so we chose 3 different things and we split between us. So we chose fried potatoes with olives and a traditional cheese, then grandma's chicken, which is again something traditional from them, and it had olives too, and it had rice and some vegetables. And we chose a Cretan salad which has a cheese that I totally adore. Unfortunately, we took a photo, I took a video only of the salad because we ate the chicken and the potatoes as soon as they brought them to us, and I totally forgot to take a video. At the end, we got free dessert, which was small, but it was very good and traditional. And also a small glass of raki with strawberry. I think it seemed to taste like strawberry, but it was very good anyway. And the alcohol wasn't that strong in this little drink. So the liqueur, the strawberry, I don't know, had a very big influence. It was very good and we paid around 27 euros both together.